The 2018 Regal TourX and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Buick Regal TourX provides all the functionality you could ever want from a vehicle. Large amounts of cargo room, plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and a look that stands out from the rest are all reasons to check this vehicle out. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.